Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find FUNDEDNEXT coupon codes in 2025. So in order to do it, you will have to open your web browser and you need to just simply come to this URL. I will also try to put the link of it down in the description for your convenience. So on this website, you can either search for FUNDEDNEXT coupon codes or you will find it over here by clicking on the link in the description. Now on this page you will see a bunch of different coupon codes that they are actually providing you, and right now the maximum coupon code that they are providing you is of 8%. So if you are interested in this deal, you can just click on the get code option, and on the next page it will show you the coupon code which you can actually use. So if you are not willing to take this 8% off coupon code, I would recommend you to wait, because these websites often update their coupon codes list, so you can find your favorable coupon codes over here. But in my opinion, you should get this coupon code and you can just simply use this promo code at the time of checkout at FUNDEDNEXT, and this way you can find the latest working promo codes as of January 2025. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.